I gotta say, LaQuinta, I'm a little surprised to hear you saying that.
No, you tell, hey, everybody watching me on TV today, make sure I'm gonna go out to vote. You vote 2 times, you don't vote 3 times. Get your kids to vote. The Donald Trump giving us all the money. Did you hear about the money?
Do you mean the coronavirus stimulus package?
He giving me like $5,000. Donald Trump.
Wait a minute, LaQuinta, how are you getting $5,000? People are only getting $1,200.
He gave me $1,200, just for myself. And then Laquinta give me $500 for that child. Laquinta give me $500 for that child. Beyond Ray giving me $500 for that child. Razabu giving me $500 for that.
Razabu?
I got so many children. Lord, hold on. I need the TV, motherfucker. You need to shut up.
Okay, LaQuinta.
I swear, these children. I can't wait till I get my check. Once I get my check, I will get rid of every single one of these motherfuckers.
Oh my God, you can't get rid of your children, LaQuinta. I mean, you're kind of stuck with them now.
I don't need them. I just need them to get my money. I need them to get my Trump check. I'll get my Trump check, put it in my neck, in the ass, that money, motherfucker. Here we go.
Wait, LaQuinta.
I'm so criminal.
LaQuinta, the only reason we're getting those checks is because most people are out of work.
Listen, that's their fault. That's their own fault. I ain't had a job in 20 years. You don't see me going hungry.
Hear my words, infidels. I've greenlit my latest cell, and it's the War on Morons podcast. That's right, the world's full of morons, but I've sent Jay and Anissa to declare war on them, from the stupid criminals to those Florida man stories you love, and the other idiots of Hollywood and DC. These new Hameen soldiers speak the truth, the stupidity in a fun and comical manner. Each week, these two will be bringing on friends and all these crazy characters to give you the punk rock comedy news show you didn't even know that you needed. But you have it now that you're under quarantine. You will listen, infidels. And that's right, there's a bit of uncertainty every week from the live hotline, so you never know who's going to call into the show. So plant your flag in the sand, grab your friends and suit up, because the War on Morons has commenced, infidels. Visit them now and subscribe at thewaronmorons.podbean.com. YOLO!